there's something coming. Transport like you never seen. Transport. It's a new kind of driving machine. Get on your Pontiac.
The space vehicle of the 90s.
Transport.
Introducing the Pontiac of minivans. The new Pontiac Transport.
Ride, transport, ride. Get on your Pontiac. We build excitement. Transport, transport, ride.
Well, got her fucking charging because there's no alternator. Fucking thing all my life. And this fucking thing. Fucking give her one last shot here, but like I said, fellas, she's fucking done. Well, she was on fire. That's all she fucking did. Yeah. I'm gonna call it there, fellas. She fucking done. Rest in peace, you fucking piece of shit. Oh, and by the way, the turbo is just fine running at that last run without no fucking oil. There's really no bearing play. She spins nice and freely. So, highly recommend these Chinese fucking turbos, especially for under $200 fucking dollars. Links in the fucking description. You can save 10%. Well, fellas, got the front 3 plugs out. Here's number 3. Yeah, it looks, you know, fucked. Here's number 5. Yeah, she's pretty fucked, but here we go. I don't know if you guys can fucking see that or not, but that's all silvery. That's fucking piston. That's gonna be our best bet. I'm hoping you guys can see this. That ain't the fucking moon, fellas. That ain't the fucking first moon landing. That's number 1 piston. Yeah, I mean, look at it. I know it's out of focus like a fucker. But that's all those clean spots. That's all pre-detonation. Chunks of piston missing from just way too much boost. That's why there's piston on that spark plug. See if I can get fucking go around again. Fuck, piece of shit. I really need a new borescope. And then you can see the sides. The rings are I'm pretty sure starting to melt or melted the side of the piston. Yeah, this motor. She took all of it, man. Oh, that's it. We'll run a quick compression test on the thing just to show you there's no fucking compression, and yeah. She's getting loaded up, going to the fucking scrapyard today. Hope you guys can read that. This is cylinder 1. Oh man. We got a whopping like 25 pounds of fucking compression in that cylinder. Oof. That's more than enough. Let's check the others. Cylinder 3. Oh boy, that one's even better. Oh, we got 15, 12. Just so you guys know, I'm not fucking gonna do the back 3 because they are a cocksucker. Alright, cylinder 5. Oh man, we got the highest one yet. Whopping 27.5. So you see now, guys, why she ain't fucking starting even on ether other than backfiring out of the intake. Because the explosions are happening outside of the engine, more or less, at this fucking point. So, this fucking thing's done. Time to load her on fucking tow dolly, load her full of scrap, and say, fuck you. Got rid of the transport and the Ford anal probe.